Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to today's video. So today I'm opening up a little makeup set that I had recently ordered. But before I show you what I've got right in front of me, I want to remind you all that I have a giveaway going on through the 14th. So I will leave that link to the video that explains more about it down below. So make sure to check that out. It's for reaching 1,500 subscribers. So thank you all very much. Love you guys. But as the title suggests, I am opening this cute kit by Milk Makeup. So I've tried a couple things by Milk Makeup, just like 2 things I think, and I really enjoyed them. I'm actually wearing both of them right now, but I really wanted to try out more of their products, so I thought the best way to do it would be to get a kit like this. So this is their best sellers, so it's called Meet the Fam, so it includes minis of their best-selling products. So there's some skincare in here as well as makeup and their mascara, which I love. So I am just going to show you the packaging, then I will get inside. So it has this cute little like Illuminati type thing on the outside and this glitter bag, which is super cute. So you can use it to store the makeup and then continue to use it for other products too. And then on here it tells you everything that's inside. They are seriously adorable. I love makeup minis, especially because I don't know, for somebody who has a lot of makeup, I mean, I have a decent collection, but I like to get mini products, especially when I'm not sure if I like the product or not, because a lot of makeup is expensive. So when you get minis, you get to try it out before you splurge on the full price. So I just took it out of the bag, so you can kind of see the glitter now more. So I will just start with the first product. This is so cute. So this is the cooling water. This is for under eye depuffing, and it's blue. Let's see if there's a sun. I can't wait to use this. I love depuffing products. Is there a little thing on top? Yeah, so there's little protectors on top, which is nice. It doesn't really have much of a scent, which I guess is good. It's like under your eyes. You don't need a fragrance in the under eye product. That could just be irritating. So this is definitely a good amount because you just roll it right under your eye. So I'm really excited to use this. So this is definitely in their best-selling list. So I'll include the link to this. I just checked and this kit is currently sold out, but hopefully they restock it soon. I also linked all the individual products if you want to learn more about them. And I know they have some deal going on right now. If you spend $45, you get like a free, they call it like a dab and blending sponge. It's not like a sponge, it's like one of those silicone based ones. I don't know, if you click the link below, you'll be able to check it out. But moving on, so the one other skincare item, this is their watermelon serum, I think is what it's called. Let's see. Watermelon brightening serum. So this is like a pink color. I love the packaging of all these, and I love how they roll up. Oh my god, let's see if this smells like watermelon. I love the scent of watermelon so much. I can't really smell anything. But this is another thing, yeah, you can just roll on your face in the morning after you, ooh, shoot. Alright, so I totally just dropped that and got a little cat hair on it, but I guess I'll just roll it off. Oh, it feels so smooth. I should have tried the eye cream on here too. But it feels like kind of cool and very nice and soft on the skin. So I was able to get that cat hair right off. Oop, my bad. Yeah, it seems unscented too. Yeah, these are the cutest size. Right, the next thing I see is the Blur Stick. And this is one product I actually have. So I am going to throw this in my giveaway. And I'm going to show you guys my full size right now. So this, I like this a lot. So it's called the Blur Stick because you use it as a primer and it seriously blurs your imperfection. Like it makes your pores look smaller and any fine lines. I really do like using this. And I have a trick. I like to rub it on my hand before I actually put it on my face. It warms it up a little bit and then you can get more into the pores and not tug at your skin as much. So I really like this product. So this is what the full size looks like, and it's actually on sale right now. When I was linking everything below, I usually do that kind of as video prep so I can know a little bit more about what I'm talking about. But I was looking, it's actually on sale right now, and I really like this product. So yeah, I will put the mini in the giveaway. So again, that link is below. So I have this little mini so you can try it out. So cute. And the next product is another product I used today and I really like, and I'm almost out of, so I'm glad I got another. This is the Kush mascara, and this is like such a crowd favorite. I know a lot of people love it. Like, what jumps to mind is like Jeffree Star. I think I've heard him rave about it, and a lot of other influencers too. But this is the one I currently am using, and I wore it today, so I really like it. It's very like a hydrating formula, so I feel like it makes my lashes like just feel healthier. It doesn't clump. It goes on well. This is what the wand looks like, so it's a pretty thick wand, and yeah, I really like it. So there's 3 more items. The first one I just grabbed, this is a lip and cheek, so you can use it all over the face. You can use it as a blush and as a lip product, and this is in the color Work. Let's swatch this. This looks like a pretty like red, I think. Let's see. So this is what the color looks like, and I will do a little swatch. Ooh, it's very smooth. I think this is so pretty. I would love this on the lips too. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I really want to get more into cream products on my face because I feel like my skin's getting a little bit drier due to the changing season. So I really want to like just see how if cream products help mask that a little bit. So I'm super excited to try this, especially in the lips too. I think this is such a pretty color and it went on so smoothly. The next 2 items, the last 2, are highlighters, which I'm probably the most excited about. So the first one is their highlighter in Lit. So this is like an everyday type highlighter. And honestly, I think all of these will last a decent amount of time, even though they're minis. Like, I've had this full-size blur stick for a while, and I haven't used too much. You can see like it's rolled up a teeny bit, but... Okay, so let's see what this Lit looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. It's kind of like champagne colored. Super pretty, so love it. So excited to try these on my face. The next one, this is super cool. This is a holographic stick in Supernova, and I've never really like used holographic makeup before, so let's see what this looks like. So that's what it looks like before application. Ooh. That's cool. It's not like too much. I'm excited to see what it looks like on the face. Like, I love it. That is a good highlight. I love highlights. Like when I put it on my face, I'm always like looking in the mirror. Now I'm like looking at my hand, like moving it around. Awesome. So yeah, that's everything. I think this is a really good kit. Hopefully it comes back in stock soon. I love how it comes with the little protectors too. That's great. So you know your products come in nice and well, and I love the packaging. Super cute. Like, these are just the cutest little things. I can't wait to try all these out. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to enter my giveaway. I'll leave the links to everything down below, and thank you so much for unboxing this with me. I almost forgot to do my advent calendars. Why is that so hard? Dropping mascara. So I forgot to open my advent calendars almost. So today is December 5th, so let's open day 5. So my first advent calendar is the 12-piece bath bomb advent calendar, which I purchased from Target for $12. And this is one you kind of just push in. Here is the bath bomb. So far, all of them, they're like pretty pink in color, so you can't really tell what's what, but they do have a fragrance list on the back, so you can look at that. All I can say is they've all smelled really good so far. And most of them do seem to have like a floral type of scent. So if you like that, you'll love this box. So good. Can't wait to use these. Next up is my luxury advent calendar by L'Occitane, and today is the day 5, and if you haven't seen my videos, this is like the coolest thing ever. It rotates 360 degrees, so you get to rotate it and find the days, but unlike yesterday, I spotted today's date, the 5th, right away, so it's super cute. It's like a little house, so I'm gonna open that. Okay, so it looks like this is like a bath bar. Let's see. Or what is this? Oh, it's a perfume. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. This is a good size too. Do you see that like leaf imprint? I already put perfume on, but it's okay. Let's see. It's a very earthy smell and like lemony. It smells so good. I love the scent of lemon. Oh my god, it smells so fresh. I'm gonna put a little bit on. Oh, it smells so fresh. I love it. Awesome. Seriously, I love this advent calendar and I love their products. It smells so good. Awesome. So yeah. So that concludes today's video. Thank you again for being here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.